Greeting students, welcome back to my class. Students, we were doing the explanation of the chapter Footprints Without Feet, and we have read up to then to his amazement. There was some technical problem, so the video stopped, so we will continue from that there only. Now, then to his amazement, he realized that the room appeared to be empty. When the clergyman heard, and his wife woke up early in the morning because of the chink of the money, and they heard the same sound. And when they were going downstairs, the chink of the money they heard. Then with the poker in his hand, which he was, holding firmly, strongly, and when he pushed the door and opened that door with that poker stick से जब खोला, then to his amazement, वो सरप्राइज रह गया, हक्का बक्का रह गया. ही रियलाइज दैट द रूम अपीयर टू बी एम्प्टी. उसने देखा कि रूम में तो कोई भी नहीं था, पूरे का पूरा रूम खाली था. ही एंड हिज वाइफ लुक्ड अंडर द डेस्क and behind the curtains and even up the chimney. There wasn't a sign of anybody. Yet the desk had been opened and the housekeeping money was missing. When they opened the door, they were surprised, and he was surprised, clergyman, because there was nobody in the room. Room was empty, and they looked everywhere. All over the room, they tried to find out somebody. They looked under the desk, they looked behind the curtains, पर्दे के पीछे देखा, चिमनी के ऊपर देखा, but they did not find anyone, did not find any sign of anybody. So, yet the desk was opened and the money was missing. तब भी वो ड्रॉर खोला गया था पैसों का, और वहाँ से पैसे गायब थे, चोरी हो चुके थे. Extraordinary affair. The clergyman kept saying for the rest of the day. Extraordinary, which is not ordinary, जो साधारण नहीं है, असाधारण घटना, असाधारण घटना. Clergyman was kept on saying, he was keep on saying like this for the whole day. वो यही बोलता जा रहा था, असाधारण घटना हो गई, असाधारण घटना हो गई. But it was not as extraordinary as the behavior of Mrs. Hall's furniture a little later that morning. Though clergyman was saying extraordinary affair for the whole day, but the more extraordinary, it was not as extraordinary as what happened, as the behavior of Mrs. Hall's furniture a little later that morning. जो Mrs. Hall के furniture के साथ जो हुआ, वो उससे असाधारण घटना नहीं थी. जो clergyman के यहाँ पैसे चोरी हुए, उससे भी असाधारण घटना हुई. What was that? Let's find out. The landlord and his wife were up very early and were surprised to see the scientist's door wide open. Usually it was shut and locked, and he was furious if anyone entered his room. On the same day they were up early, मतलब वो जल्दी उठ गए थे उस दिन, and were surprised, और वो ये देखकर हैरान थे. They were surprised when you see something which is not normal. What did they see? Because of that they were surprised. They saw that the scientist's door was wide open. तो साइंटिस्ट का दरवाजा था कमरे का, वो पूरी तरह से खुला हुआ था. Usually means normally. Normally क्या होता था आमतौर पर? It was shut and locked. बंद होता था और अंदर से कुंडी लगी होती थी या ताला लगा होता था. And he was furious if anyone entered his room. और वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा गुस्से में आ जाता था. Furious here means when you become too angry, very angry. Furious. So furious students means that very angry. जब आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा गुस्से में आ जाते हो, that means when you say I am furious, that means you are very very angry on someone or something. So whenever somebody enters or entered his room, he used to become furious. So he normally used to shut his door locked and he used to be बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो जाता था अगर कोई भी उसके कमरे में घुसता था तो. The opportunity seemed too good to be missed. So when they find the door was wide open, so that opportunity, वो मौका उन्हें too good to be missed, इस मौके को वो बिल्कुल भी खोना नहीं चाहते थे. इतना अच्छा मौका उन्हें वो लगा कि let's just see what is inside his room. They peeped round the door. Peep means to look into. When आप झांकना जिसको हम बोलते हैं, peeped. Peep means to look into. किसी चीज के अंदर झांकना या फिर झांका ताका झांकी करना. They peeped into the peeped round the door, saw nobody. उन्होंने दरवाजे के चारों तरफ देखा लेकिन उन्हें कोई भी नहीं दिखा. And decided to investigate. और फिर ये डिसाइड किया कि चलो कुछ छानबीन करते हैं. Investigate means जांच पड़ताल करना. The bed clothes were cold, showing that the scientist must have been up for some time. And stranger still, the clothes, the bandages that he always wore were lying about the room. The bed clothes were cold, मतलब जो बेड पे कपड़े बिछे हुए थे, बेड शीट्स एंड ऑल, they were cold, मतलब ठंडे थे. Showing that the scientist must have been up for some time, वो थोड़ी देर पहले उठ गया होगा. Otherwise in the winter season when you are lying on the bed and you are having quilts or blankets over you, so the bed clothes will be warm. So, and when they touched the bed clothes, they were cold. That means he must have been up for some time. And stranger still, और वो अजनबी तो था उनके लिए, और उनके लिए और भी क्या अजीब था. The clothes and bandages that he always wore, जो वो कपड़े पहनता था, जो bandages वो पट्टी बांधता था, he always used to wear. They were lying about the room, और वो रूम के चारों तरफ फैले हुए थे, गिरे हुए थे या पड़े हुए थे. That's what happened there. All of a sudden Mrs. Hall heard a sniff close to her ear. All of a sudden उसको अचानक से मिसेस हॉल को क्या सुनाई दिया? सांस लेने की आवाज़. Sniff means sniff यानी breathe, breathing. Close to her ear, उसको अपने कान के पास सांस लेने की आवाज़ सुनाई दी. A moment later the hat on the bedpost leaped. Leap means jump. Leap means jump. A moment later, अगले ही क्षण, एक क्षण के बाद, अगले ही सेकंड, the hat on the bedpost, जो bedpost पे hat थी, टोपी, leapt up, मतलब उछली, और and dashed itself into her face. Dashed means strike, strike करी, टकराना, इसको हम बोलते हैं dashed, strike, टकराना, और सीधा उसके चेहरे पे जाके टकराई. Then the bedroom chair became alive, and then more stranger thing happened that the bedroom chair, जो कुर्सी रखी हुई थी वहाँ पर, वो जिंदा हो गई, अपने आप हरकत में आ गई. Springing into the air, it charged straight at her legs foremost, और वो हवा में उड़ती हुई, घूमती हुई, straight charge मतलब उसकी तरफ सीधा चार्ज किया उसने, आगे बढ़ते हुई, straight at her, straight towards Mrs. Hall, legs foremost, और जो उसके कुर्सी के पैर थे वो बिल्कुल आगे की तरफ थे, सबसे आगे की तरफ कुर्सी के पैर थे, और हवा में उछली. Springing into the air, हवा में घूमती घूमती सीधा, legs आगे थे सबसे, और वो सीधा Mrs. Hall की तरफ बढ़ी. As she and her husband turned away in terror, the extraordinary chair pushed them both out of the room and then appeared to slam and lock the door after them. What happened when they both saw this thing? They turned away in terror. दूसरी तरफ मुड़े. Terror means डर में, घबरा गए थे, बहुत ज़्यादा डर गए थे, वो दूसरी तरफ मुड़े. The extraordinary chair pushed them. That chair pushed them. बाहर की तरफ उनको धक्का दिया. Both push them both out of the room, दोनों को बाहर की तरफ पुश कर दिया, धक्का दिया. And then appeared to slam and lock the door after them. And फिर ऐसा लगा जैसे उन्होंने उस चेयर ने धक्का दिया, देन द चेयर itself slammed the door, बंद किया, to close and lock the door after them. चेयर ने खुद ही उनको फर्स्ट द when they turned in terror, the external chair pushed them, both of them, out of the room, and then the chair it appeared, ऐसा लगा कि then the chair itself closed the door and slammed the door and closed the door after them. बाहर निकालने के बाद चेयर ने खुद ही, कुर्सी ने खुद ही वो दरवाज़ा बंद किया और अंदर से लॉक कर दिया. So students, I think it is enough for today. We will continue the chapter in the next class, that means tomorrow. So before that, I want to tell you, and I want you people to go through the chapter, read the chapter up to here, and go through the word meanings which we have done, which we did yesterday and which we have done today, and write them in rough notebook. Try to learn their meanings and just try to use them in your daily life sentences which you speak, and try to speak in English at home. Be safe, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.